Schedules are great for everyone, including Junior. With the programmable charging station, Junior can be quickly and easily scheduled to clean your home automatically, even while you're away. Before selecting Junior's cleaning schedule, first set the current time and weekday on his station. Plug the charging station into a wall outlet. It will turn on and display the default time, 8 a.m. Next, press the clock button just to the right of the station's display. The minute digits will flash. Use the Adjust Select button to choose the current minutes. To move on to the hour, press the clock button once more. Use the Adjust button to choose the current hour. Junior station uses a 24-hour clock, so be sure to adjust accordingly. Press the clock button a final time to set the current day of the week. Again, use the Adjust button to choose the correct day. To save your settings, press the OK button. Now you're ready to create a cleaning schedule for Junior. Press the bell button and the minute digits will flash. Use the Adjust button to choose your desired minute. Press the bell button once more to adjust the hour. As before, use the Adjust button to choose the time Junior should clean. Next, select the days you'd like Junior to clean automatically. Press the bell button once more. The Sunday icon will flash at the top of the station's screen. To select a day, wait for the icon to go solid. To pass on a day of the week, press the Adjust button while the day icon is flashing. Once you've set Junior's cleaning schedule, press the OK Cycle button to save your settings. If Junior leaves his charging station on his own, he is either scheduled to clean or on auto resume mode. On auto resume mode, Junior leaves his charging station every time his battery is full. This may interfere with his cleaning schedule. To activate auto resume, press the OK button on Junior's charging station. The broom icon will remain lit on the station when Junior is on auto resume. To deactivate this feature, press the OK button again. The broom icon will disappear and Junior will return to following his cleaning schedule. If you'd like to use auto resume mode without interference from Junior's cleaning schedule, turn off his station by pressing the power button. The station's screen will go blank, but as long as it is plugged in, Junior will still find his station and work in auto resume mode. To resume Junior's schedule, turn the station back on. To erase the schedule completely, press the bell button until the days of the week begin flashing. Press the Adjust button while each day icon flashes to bypass all weekdays. When the Saturday icon is flashing, press OK to save your settings. If left unplugged for 8 hours, Junior's station will return to its default settings and erase all prior selections.